Hi, this is Brad from Power Tools. In this video, we're going to go through the options for mode and display options on each filter group. So let's start with the product type group here. Its mode is currently set to single, which is the default option. If we select it, it gives us a choice of single, replacer, collection list, and multi-select. Single is the default, and it allows a single option per group. So when you select a filter, only that filter will be selected, and all the other filters in that group will be hidden. Replacer shows multiple filters. When you select a filter, it'll just switch between the filters in that group. Collection list is a static list of filters. When you select a filter, it'll reset all the other filters across the whole filter menu. It basically just takes you back to the top level. And then multi-select allows multiple filters that can be chained together such that all the filters must match. So let's use collection list for our product type filter because it's our top level filter. So we press apply. And if we go to our store, when we select an option such as this, you can see it just changes. If we were to select some other filters, let's go to wallets. And we now have the black wallets. If we now select shoulder bags, you'll notice that the black filter has been deselected. Now that group it's a little bit long. So let's go to the display options for that and let's set it to scroll. That'll make it a little bit easier for us to manage. So we select wallets, and as you can see, the page is reloaded and it's now scrolling. Going back, let's have a look at our color group. Currently that's set to single. If we go and select a filter, what you'll notice is that it just allows the single selection, black or purple, like so, and you have to clear to switch between them. If we select this to be replacer, and then select an option such as black, what you'll now notice is that we can switch between the options without having to deselect. We have this style filter here, so let's set that to multi-select. So what this will do is it means that we have to select all the options for that group. So we'll clear the filters. And we'll find we've got our sports option. And now we want something that's both sports and a dress shoe. And so there we go. That's the only product that matches both those criteria. In the display options, there's quite a few settings. We can convert it to a drop-down. For example, like so. Let's do the color swatches on the color group. We can hide the checkbox on the drop-down group. Let's set up the price ones to be small boxes, but let's make them the full width as well. We've already seen the scroll option. Let's add maybe a search box to the type group. If we now reload the page, you'll see that actually it's quite different. So we now have a search box, so we can do a search for bags. We have our color swatches. As you'll notice, quite a few of these are grey. We have another video that shows how to add in the custom colours for each of these. Our brand group is now a drop-down without checkboxes. our price filters are full width small boxes. And then last of all, let's set the style group, although this doesn't make much sense, to be nested under the price group, just to show you what it looks like. So what this will do is it'll mean the style group will lose the heading and be nested slightly in. So as you can see, we now have this group nested under this group. You can do some really nice little tricks with this so that you can have these nested style filters. So that covers all the mode and display options very quickly. You can play around with these on your own store. It's very quick to update and you can achieve some great effects with it. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.